America have spoiled them and give them so much free shit.
Them to eat a I said no.
And you see change, I'm job in a business when nobody wants it, bro.
We're going to patch the road with cooking oil.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Now I'm on the pump balloon. Yeah. Welcome to the countdown. Alright, stop. Jesus Christ, man. Lord God, me can't do with all of them birthday shenanigans. But anyway, burritos, welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. And yes, my birthday was Friday and I enjoyed it. Thank you so much for all of the love, all of the appreciation, all of the support. If I message them, I could reply to each and every one of you. But just know, say, I just love y'all. I love the burritos, and to each and every person who saw me on the road and, you know, give me a little hug and a little word of advice. Yeah, man. Really felt great to, you know, feel all of that love. So, we have one heap of things to get into for this week's countdown because the topics them are muy caliente. I was trying to use that word and the word couldn't find me a while ago. But anyway, let's get into this week's top 10 social media countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, TonTravels finds love. Me Scoopies. Okay, burritos. So social host winner TonTravels was recently on Jay Frey's podcast. That's a Let's Be Honest podcast. I know that series at the YouTube channel. So he decided to put up two of his previous guests. That is Walk and Talk and TonTravels on a you can call it like a blind date of sorts. And trust me, people, the conversation, yeah man, very viral. Take a look.
A deal breaker is when a girl lie to me and play me. I don't love that.
That's fair.
But they come to me straight. Like, tell me, say you have a man.
I do not have a man.
Just come with that. Seriously, boy. Yeah, leave it.
Yo, that brother, him fully said like he won't wash his cheeks. No, whoa.
Wow.
He won't wash his face again. Yeah, man, you see how words just make things just sound extra careless when it don't need to be. And yeah, man, I honestly just feel like said TonTravels, she really is that girl. She's enjoying her moment. She's so frank. And Jay, like, he did a great thing by pairing her with Walk and Talk because honestly, like, you have the uptown with the in the streets youth and it just make for some good TV. All the part here nowhere, what was it? What did I talk about? Eating the ground provision, the punash, the in-betweensy winsy, the in-betweenies. Take a look.
I like a man that doesn't tell me no.
I'm going to tell them no in some way though.
Why?
Because if you tell them to eat I said no.
Why?
I don't eat.
Why?
So you're going to meet a man, you're going to tell them, what if I know?
Why are you doing?
No, that's not my thing.
Why? But I need a reason though.
No.
Everything has a reason.
No,
Why?
I know, I don't stomach for that.
Have you tried it before?
Never.
So how would you know if you have
No,
some
I don't believe. I don't make up for that.
You don't make it, but how would you know if you
I don't
never
cut out.
tried it?
I don't cut out for that.
Okay.
Yeah, certain man I cut out for them.
Okay, but what if that's the one thing in the entire world that would have made the love of your life be able to enjoy sex? You wouldn't do it?
Prefer died.
Okay, oh wow. Okay. You know, if you know TonTravels is very much pro eating the buff.
Jesus Christ.
But Walk and Talk say, yeah man, nah, you know, you can't go on your ways. But what I'd love to hear for you burritos, are y'all team eat the buff? Studio audience? Are y'all team eat the buff?
No comment.
All who says yeah for eating the buff, hands in the air. Oh.
I'm out of here.
Don't leave me hanging burritos, come on. Wanna know? Somebody on the live?
I don't know who this man is.
Well, okay, let's move to the next topic. Wow, this is embarrassing. Number 9, Chung for president. Me? Oh God, jeez, why was I about to say Little Tokyo? Jeez, that is just messed up on all sorts of levels. Anyway, burritos. So, where do I even start? Do you remember Rohan Chung? Do you remember him from the 2020 general elections where he actually ran in Manchester Central against Rhoda Crawford? And yeah, of course, Rhoda won. And he got very popular because of his very peculiar personality. But anyway, whatever is happening, it seems as if he is re-entering the chat. Oh. And this time, in basically, I have this to say to the Jamaican people. Listen.
You cannot tell me every day so now for them chicken foot and chicken neck. It doesn't work.
Hungry, your best friend?
I am going to give you as the Prime Minister or the President of this country. If I am the President of this country, I shall give you $100 every single week.
Nah, man, Rohan is saying he's willing to give every Jamaican citizen $100
May I give you $100 every week?
Wow, it really cost this? Wow. So that is what Chung is saying. But anyway, let me just go and listen to him and say.
Buy some cornflakes so no picnic them. Eat cornflakes.
No, man, this brother in the middle of him big live, I'm going to start fearing them cornflakes. You think you're more than me? Hold on, thank you. Because we are going to do this together since I saw we have one. All right. When you done, me done. You don't know? All right. Okay, Rohan Chung, like, honestly, like, this brother, boy, honestly, you just need to flip on TikTok right now because you could be making a lot of money on that space with your personality. So people, let me know, would you vote for Rohan Chung for president? Sound off below. Number 8, pothole fix. Me, roadside. Okay, burritos. So I was traversing the mean streets of TikTok and I came across this video because this lady, you know, she have something innovative. She have a solution to one of Jamaican's biggest problems. And that is, say it with me, the potholes. Remember when Tessa and Chile win device and she mentioned that Jamaica has the worst roads. Why? Because of the potholes. This lady has an answer. Take a listen.
We're going to patch the road with cooking oil. This is the cooking oil I have gathered from frying fish, dumpling, you name it. It's dirty, it's nasty, and if it dash way, but we're going to repurpose it. This pothole was patched long ago, and it has been through whole heap of cars driving over it and all heap of rain. You see durability? Yeah. Now we have mixed the sand and the gravel. Put it in the oil. Now it's time for the oil.
This technique here was passed on to my husband by our friend who live in the inner community. I is forced to patch the whole inner road this way as well. And when I saw the quality of this technique on how that hole never empty out again and rain fall and car drive and it's still all together, me have to share this with my TikTok fam because this is almost free. You just have to get the other type of material. Now look how all the oil set up in there, and that is gonna help repel the water.
Oh no, honestly, can we get a round of applause for this lady? Her name is Flor Cubana. Yeah, man. So that's why Jamaica is a melting pot. You need people with different ideas and with different solutions to fix our problems. Right now, she could have win half of this. Just, I don't know, if she want to run for, like, what you call that, representational politics, be an MP, this is how you get it done. So honestly, I would be surprised if she go up against Lisa Anna. Yeah, my burritos, what do you think of this fix to our pothole problems using the cooking oil and just like mixing it with, you know, like gravel and, you know, all of that? I mean, it's good. Actually feel like I'm gonna try it. Do you think I should do a video trying it to see if it really works? So now below. Now here is this week's random video of the week.
That's a big old fart. Here comes a prom, big old fart, come out. Messiah.
Number 7, Jamaican Hulk. Me? Papa the Sailor Man. Okay, wow, yeah man, that worked. Burritos. So, you know, the Jamaican people are some of the hardest working. Like, we have a lot of strength because we eat the good food and get the good nutrition. But you see this brother, him could have in one of the next Marvel film them. Take a look.
Fully active man, Jamaican Hulk man. I want to know man.
Jamaican. Merciful God.
Fully man. Fully active.
One more. Set him good.
You alright man, I feel that. Oh God, not do no more.
Yeah man, good man.
Him good as no man. Move the ladder. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Roll them. Roll them. Yes, man.
No. The brother here, him do not normal. I was making a film body. Jesus Christ. Do you know how heavy a bag of cement is? And on a regular feet that, you know. Oh, honestly, like, I think there's a whole entire conversation saying, say the hard work in Jamaica and them farmer man there, them construction worker man there, that type of strength is different from like the people that got gym. Like, lifting a bag of cement really don't easy. So I have to commend this brother because honestly, like, kids, do not try this at home. But burritos, let me know how many bags of cement you think you can manage. Sound off in the comments. Number 6, backroad customer. Me. If you know, you know. And if you know, well, you know them someday. Burritos. You see the thing about my burritos, I know I'm innocent. I don't know type of carelessness. You get me?
I prefer really not to speak.
When I go on the bed, when I read a little timetable, when I get up and I do a little scripture reading and because I'm clean up to the house, I don't know nothing about them sound here. You get me? When I now watch nothing late night on Twitter like this, when I well behave, I know my burritos, right? But yeah, so I saw this video now and it was on Instagram, and this brother, he basically put up a little short tale of his experience going to Ochi and encountering the art, the sophistication of prostitution. Take a look.
Coming to you from Backroad Ochi. Hold on, walk away.
Hey, sweeties.
Hey, I'm not having money tonight. I'm not having money tonight. Tomorrow. Alright.
Top-notch customer service.
No man, watch customer service.
Yo, they are festive. Look at the ATM. I soon come. I just see a brother walk out to the corner then and smile. Nah, show nobody face. Oh God. Ain't no business tonight.
Okay. Honestly, this is a win. Can we give it up for the excellent prostitutes out there? Honestly, more Jamaican government business places can learn from them. Like, that is how you treat your customers. That is how you treat your customers. Look at that. The woman even say you can't get the punani on layaway. You can pay down for it. She will trust him the punash. Wow. No, honestly, this is amazing. Like, I feel like I should go down there and talk to the lady and kind of just say like how kind she is. Maybe she can just, oh, she could do something for Father's Day. Oh my God. What? You know what, we don't talk, cause if me tell them my idea right now, YouTube ban me. Number 6, suspicious harboring. Me never even know if it's right now. Honestly, I'm doing this countdown and I'm a little bit, I have hangover. So I'm going to say like I'm there party the whole time. So just bear with all of me randomness right now. But anyway, burritos. So this particular bit of news story, definitely it's sad, but it quite tickled me. So you have these two men where apparently them got each a ride. Them see was some boat and they're going to decide so they got each a little ride because they wanted to go to foreign. The people them set out, say them are going to go for better life. Different shores them are going to reach. And so them they are all on for dear life like pan a little leash. I say, yes man, when they stop, they are going to be in the US of A. But you see, when them think them reach a foreign and chuck off and say, yes man, good life. No more be them there. Jesus Christ, when honestly, listen to what the Coast Guard them capture.
Hard time them sir, you understand? Because there's not somewhere we can just travel. You see it? But we guess it's not going nowhere. Just go to sea and come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, them just
no
go.
Weed, nothing, we just clothes and food. Yeah. And it's so messed up, don't climb the food and just
No, we don't want to talk about it, but come on, man. You know how desperate you have to be to go take on a journey like that? And me just know a whole heap of hopes and dreams the night, you know. So it's sad it ended like this, but like honestly, it is just a reflection of where the Jamaican people are right now. Like, we just feel like, yo, we just need anything. We just need a better life, some way out. And these are the type of measures that I think a lot of people are going to be doing moving forward. Because I did say the other day, you know, not even the gunman, them want fear do the run up and down and then a dirty foot clothes and them something here. Down to them, I do different things so them can acquire money so them can move up the ranks. people are getting desperate, and these are the type of things we're going to see more of. So burritos, yes, it's funny. I'm pretty sure it's them not going to want to show what them face around them community for a while. But honestly, it's sad. So let me know, burritos, what is the most drastic thing that you've ever done to step outside of a situation? Number 4, Squash arrested. Oh wow, G's and Pim, why the dancehall artists them cannot catch a break? So you know, dancehall artist, very popular dancehall artist, Squash, you know him for songs such as was recently arrested in Florida. No, me not really know much about it because I've been busy trying to enjoy my birthday vibes. So I'm going to ask the producer on social media countdown, producer extraordinaire, to jump in and give me a little bit more detail onto what might have happened. Dendra!
Okay, so this article is coming from Jamaica Observer, and I'm going to begin to read now.
Okay.
Dancehall DJ Squash, whose given name is Andre Whitaker, has reportedly been arrested in Florida on immigration-related charges. Observer Online understands that he is being held at the Chrome Detention Center in Miami. It is understood that the artist was taken into custody recently for overstaying on his work visa.
Wow, thank you, Dendra. Burritos, can we have a round of applause for Dendra and our radio voice? Woo! 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 Okay, thank you very much, Dendra. You'll see our face sometime in El Futuro. Okay, so that is what happened to Squash. So burritos, let me know you have any thoughts about this, but I just not like so these dancehall artists that keep on and have these issues, you know, with the law and all kind of things. Boy.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Alright, so first up on the Big Up segment, I have to go and big up dancehall artist Skillibeng and his... Lord God! Why are you... You know... Oh Lord. Thank you. Wait. I don't like stuff like this. This is my operation right here. Thank you. Thank you. Jesus. Wait. Oh wow. Thank you. Dendra, thank you. Oh Lord. So, oh my God. What am I supposed to do now? Gosh.
Cut your cake and eat it. It's your birthday.
Like, honestly, you have to come tell me twice. I am... True. I don't like these type of stuff, but thanks. Honestly, like, thanks. Thank you. Jesus. True. Lord God. No, the whole of this Rachel edited, Lord, I don't know, like... Aww. Thank you. You know, I'm not the rest of the countdown. All right, the rest of the countdown done. Thank you so much. Team, thank you for that a while ago. Because you can't imagine a while ago, it's supposed to go flip. I'm going bad another society, so I'm going to just name the cake and share it. Whoever get miserable. Thank you. Where was I with the countdown now? All right, so yeah, I also have to go and big up Strictly 2K. Jesus Christ, my jaw hurt me. Like, this, my jaw. My jaw hurt me. Oh.
Come on.
Oh. Yeah, so first of all, the big up segment, I have to go and big up dancehall artist Skillibeng and his feature with American rising pop rap artist Coily Ray for their single Radioactive. Definitely a good look. Also, I have to go and big up all of the Jamaicans who have recently decided to protest. I feel like protest is definitely something that we should do more of and to advocate for the rights that we want to have and the type of lives that we want to live. So if you are protest, whatever your cause is, you know, just, what you them say, more power. No, wow, that's unpolitical. Jeez, I'm no me I forgot to say more shower right now for balance it out. Lord of mercy. So finally I have to go and big up Strictly 2K. That is where I celebrated my birthday. It was May 26th, you know, right? The new mass camp, and so definitely was a vibe and I quite enjoyed myself. And I managed to get an interview with Tifa, and Tifa shows gracious as usual. So look out for that interview. I might put it out by the time you see this, so you can go check it out right here. So okay. Number 3, Ivany and Skillibeng. Oh my God. Alright, burritos. So, you know Skillibeng, alright, you know, dancehall artist, the man who said,
don't grind me. First thing on a bowl like me.
Yeah, that song, yeah. And many more hits back of that. But did you know that at some point in time, he and the viral sensation, social media persona, Ivany, had an encounter? Yes, sir! Ivany on a TikTok live, she decided to just bust the whole entire business, and this is what she had to say.
So one day I send out my whole kidney out to Skillibeng. Skillibeng give me a big scene. Mr. Skilly, you could have dance at me, you know. Skilly, see the message again. So I go back now and delete my video and delete my message. 2 tours after the Skillibeng that I say gonna put my voice in a song. I say Skilly, I go and charge you for my voice because after man done come skin out send 2 pictures, you would even say pretty rare name. And then you have my voice in a song, and this okay, you want to reply to me, but no, my voice in a song. And you put a laughing emoji, Skill, you want me, sir?
So why him do that though? Like you send him you something in a DM?
Yeah, man, just send it brawling, but Skill love him, baby mother, and I'm not check.
No reply, I'm just use the voice and in a reply.
Wow! Okay, so Ivany, she sent a picture to Skillibeng with her little kuchon Chung, her little punash, and Skillibeng just left her pan red, never answer to her at all because Skillibeng see the rake. Skillibeng wise and Skillibeng know the levels and say, yo, we might need for just kind of load the little 1 year alone. And so Ivany, I guess she feel a little way, say him go use her voice in a song and all kind of things like that. And Skillibeng, what him say, him reply with just like a laughing emoji. Honestly, round of applause to Skillibeng. Because Skillibeng have his woman, her name is Tavian, and so them go strong and you know them have them nice relationship. I'm gonna think Skillibeng want to go mash that up, especially with somebody as known as an Ivany. But boy, I just can't believe that she publicly tell the story, but I guess it's a fun story to share about Jaja. Damn. Burritos, you ever run on an artist DM? How did it go? Sound off below. Number 2, Perry versus World Dawg. Me bangarang. Okay, burritos, can you believe there's another TikTok excitement? Me don't know what going on in the TikTok streets, but it is becoming quite a toxic environment. Yes, so there's another piece of excitement happening on TikTok, and this time it features World Dawg. You know, World Dawg, social media personality, very popular, username Facebook hero, left from Instagram and is now taking up space on TikTok and doing some amazing things over there. And so you have Quiet Perry. He's now, you know, in the TikTok space too, and doing the whole Taps and Roses thing. That is the backstory, right? And so what has happened is that World Dawg, people know him for not necessarily be so fond of Quiet Perry, kind of saying certain comments and remarks in the past about Quiet Perry and, you know, his whole identity and all of that. And so people were surprised when World Dawg now started to embrace and doing TikTok matches with Perry.
I'm a big up a dog for that, bro. I'm in a business where nobody wants to say, the dog are ranked now. And if we play 2 match and 3 match with the dog, for sure my respect, I'm going to do it. So if anybody want to bun me out, then bun me.
So on one of World Dawg's recent lives, Perry actually showed up and he gave 10 lions. And if you know how the pricing going, like for just 1 lion, about 400 USD.
Everybody shout!
So can you imagine someone says some unkind things to you on a public platform and you show up and feed them live for go and give them money? Yeah, a lot of the spectators were shocked. Yeah man, they discombobulated about the whole entire situation. In the middle of that now, you had another TikToker who did a video playing a voice note kind of showing the sentiments of many of the fans, questioning World Dawg as to why did he accept these gifts from Perry and why is he entertaining his energy.
You ever sit on live every day with Quiet Perry? How? World Dawg and Quiet Perry now are sending one another gift.
And so, you know, that go on and that was its own moment. But eventually, World Dawg and Perry, they did appear on a TikTok live and they decided to just settle the air and to, you know, to talk about their messy history. Listen.
Give certain argument because at the end of the day, you have a responsibility to your audience. And sometimes they not like see when you're in a certain things, and when you do those kind of stuff without your authority, them are going to defend you anyways. You understand what I say? So sometimes you have to just love things and make people talk and make your audience defend you.
Okay, so I guess all is well that ends well. So can we have a round of applause for this moment? Yay! Woo! Yay, World Dawg and Perry. But honestly, I really think that this is also just business because at the end of the day, here's what I'll say. World Dawg is probably like one of the #1 like Jamaican influencers in the TikTok space. And so in order to move up the ladder, you really have to go and try to play matches with the people who are at the top. And so I think Perry, of course, excellent opportunity. World Dawg is there. It makes sense to want to kind of build a sort of connection right there so that the TikTok space can be more lucrative. So Perry, once again, is playing chess and not checkers. That is my 2 cents. But let me know what you thought about the whole drama. Sound off below.
Hey guys, you don't know, say it's a girl Shensia and you're watching Dirty Berry social media countdown. Keep it locked. Shensia. Jiggle jiggle my body, yeah, jiggle jiggle.
And #1 goes to Airbnb. Woo! 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 Not really a great topic, but yeah, we're gonna clap same way. So #1 goes to Airbnb. So I think this one was super viral. This topic was super viral, and it actually featured this lady. She is the Barefoot Island lady, and she has a nice little quaint cottage type of vibes over in Hanover, and it is called rustic living. So you know, people who love nature and really like to kind of live what you call it, a minimalistic type of life. You know, you're just surrounded by the trees, the birds, you know, have no one bag of like Wi-Fi and them, something that you're just together with spirituality and nature. That is the type of environment that the lady has. But she went viral after she posted this video talking about the bad experiences that she has had at her Airbnb with Black Americans. Take a listen.
African people stay here, I have Jamaican people stay here, I have white people stay here, I have Spanish people stay here, and I have Black Americans stay here. I'm not saying not all Black Americans are bad, but the ones that came to my place have been nothing but problem. Only 2 good ones came here, to all of them. Fight late at night, not with me, with each other. They're disrespectful, they're entitled, they're unappreciative. And it is that way because America has spoiled them and give them so much free shit. Where they think they could come to Jamaica and get the same free shit out here and be nasty about it. I'm not saying all of you are like that. But because of that, I'm not risking my health and my happiness for people. No short-term stay.
Jesus, Pim! Wow! So you know, so when she dropped this, you know, the Black Americans, they did not like it because she really grabbed them up in them neck and say, yeah, you kind of go on, but you come here. So they did not like it. And so many were online basically chastising her and her Airbnb, saying that nobody would want to live in a poor people's shack and stuff like that. And so, yeah, man, they really came at her neck. And I think the part of it that many people took to heart is when she said that she feels as if a lot of Black Americans are used to freeness. And so when they come to the Caribbean, they're expecting to get a lot of handouts. And so that struck a nerve for many of the Black Americans, many of them vowing to never come to the Caribbean again, not coming back to Jamaica. A lot of them pointing out that it is their US dollars that is able to enhance the Jamaican tourism industry. And so I don't know if this looks good for us as a brand. I wonder if maybe the Minister of Tourism would have reached out to the lady and tell her to delete her video, all of these things. But the woman, she is not backing down because she followed up to say this to the naysayers.
No get up entitled, spoiled Black Americans that America has spoiled. I don't want them here. Will not change that, okay? And I'm not going to change the verbiage. I'm saying exactly what I feel. I was a landlord in America for 10 years. Let me tell you, I have tenants that their rent was $12 because Section 8 paid the rest of it for them. You're like, I don't get any free shit. What free shit you're talking about? I don't get free shit. You got a lot of free shit. Those are the people I don't want here. $12 a rent, you'll pay. You have Benz, you drive, you wear $400 wig, name brand shoes, your kids wear name brand shoes, and you work minimum hours so you don't lose your Section 8. You got food stamps, you buy lobster, steak, and God knows what everything's. And people that work in 3 jobs can't afford the food. They could buy us on government assistance. I don't want you ass here because I work very hard for everything I have. So I don't want no entitled, spoiled, and grateful Black Americans here. If you work respectful, I'm even open to offer short-term stay for the right people. One thing I learned about the ghetto people too, they have a way of hiding who they are. Because they've been cheating the system so long that they pretend to be something else to get money off the government. And so that's what you do. You call me, you pretend to be somebody else, and when you come here, you show your real true colors. There's none of that here. If you come here, you ghetto, you gotta leave. Period. I don't care about your money. Yeah, that's all I gotta say today. So let's go get mad.
Wow. So right there and then the woman basically a boss a queen. She said she full of chat. And so honestly, I mean, there is some value. You get me? Because many people and a lot of the people in the local hotel industry, many who are afraid to share what this lady has said, so that them echo her sentiments. They have said that a lot of times, Black Americans, they, sometimes can treat the workers like they are some low-level type of human beings. And so maybe this is an opportunity for us to have further conversation to really just to see how we can better treat each other, especially like when we are traveling and visiting. That's all I have to say, but I'd love to hear what are your 2 cents on this bear situation. Okay? Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, man. The double tap right here, so as well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Do not forget to share the video with your friends and your family. We're still on the road to 300,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna make me kind of bother when I'm gonna keep on a watch and not subscribing. Okay, and follow me on my social media at TheDuttyBerryShow, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. And for advertising, hosting, all of these sorts, send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. Take care until next time. Oh yeah, and big up all of the people them. You get me? Who have kids raising, because, this is the end of Child's Month. So all of the children and the young at heart, big up for yourself. And that is it. I still cannot believe that I got surprised in my own countdown. That was not... Anyway, bye.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey. Box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.